Your Edina High School counselors are coming at you with the new video series about the college application process called How to Get It Done. We know there can be so much information to keep track of when it comes to completing apps. These videos serve as quick tutorials on how to complete some parts of the application process. Today's topic is the CommonApp Education section. Let's hop right into your CommonApp account. So obviously you're going to sign into your CommonApp and then click the CommonApp tab at the top. Over in Education, you can click that and there's some information that we have to put in. Basically, this information is the same for every senior in your graduating class, so this is good information to have and be consistent with. First of all, you're going to want to find your school. You click Find My School and you can start just typing the name of our high school and it should pop up. So once you click that, you press continue, and if you've been at Edina High School since the beginning of 9th grade, you would have started in September of 2019. No, this is not a boarding school, and assuming your intention is to finish out your high school career at Edina, you would click yes that you will graduate from this high school. Our graduation is set for the first week of June 2023. And typically most students are going to say that there's been no change in their progression towards graduation. Go ahead and press continue and it will pull up the next box for us. From here, it will take us to the second box where you indicate if you've attended any other high schools. If you haven't, you'll press 0, and if you have, you'll press 1, 2, or 3, depending on what your response would be. We want to specifically address the grades section under Education on the CommonApp tab. This information is probably the most commonly requested from our office. For class size, we recommend that you put a 700. That's an approximation of the class size because students do enroll and withdraw kind of intermittently, but approximately we're at 700. Class ranking, we say none because we do not officially place class ranking on student transcripts. For GPA scale reporting, we say 4. And then weighted or unweighted GPA, we leave that up to the applicant's choice because our transcripts will show both GPAs. Another very common question that we get about the education section in the CommonApp is going to be this honors section. This is a spot where students are going to report their academic honors. So maybe not necessarily like getting a letter in a sport or music or something like that, but like your academic specific achievements. One kind of common award that students can earn at Edina High School is going to be becoming an Edina Scholar. An Edina Scholar is a student who has a 3.5 GPA after their first semester of senior year. Now, that first semester of senior year ends at a time that is typically not conducive to the college application process or timeline. So what we typically recommend is if students know they're going to have a 3.5 GPA or higher, you can put something like Edina Scholars as the honors title, but then in parentheses put forthcoming at graduation, or maybe the word anticipated, to indicate that it's not yet in hand, because like for the Edina Scholars, that's not an award that we give out until right before graduation. However, if you know it's coming, it might be something you still want to list. Have more questions? Now don't forget, you can stop into the College and Career Center at any time during the school day for help on anything pertaining to your post-secondary planning. If you're wondering about the CommonApp education section, well, that's how you get it done.